14 places women want to be touched but are afraid to ask. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever felt a little unsure about where a woman wants to be touched, especially in those intimate moments? Today we're peeling back the layers of mystery and we'll explore those secret sensual spots that many women adore but might be hesitant to talk about. It's all about connection, understanding, and of course consent. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of her desires, paving the way for even more intimate moments. Curious to learn more? Let's dive in and uncover those hidden gems. The neck. The neck is a tender and sensitive area, holds the potential for electrifying sensations when touched with gentle caresses or kisses. For many women, the soft strokes or delicate kisses along the neck's curve can ignite a fire of pleasure, sending tingles of anticipation down their spine. The intimacy of this act creates a profound connection between partners, fostering an environment of trust and vulnerability. Ears. In the realm of intimacy, the ears become a sanctuary for whispers and traces of affection. Lightly tracing the contours of the earlobes or whispering sweet nothings evokes a sense of intimacy that is unparalleled. Adorned with nerve endings, the ears are exceptionally sensitive, making them receptive to even the subtlest touch. As partners explore this intimate gesture, they immerse themselves in a world of shared secrets and private exchanges, creating an unbreakable bond between their souls. In the tender dance of touch and sound, lovers awaken dormant desires, relishing the beauty of these intimate moments. The lips. Kissing, a timeless expression of physical intimacy, is an art many women cherish. The meeting of lips, a symphony of passion and tenderness, unfolds an intimate conversation beyond words. Whether it's a gentle peck, a passionate lock, or a playful exploration, each kiss bears the unique imprint of affection between partners. As lips interlace, bodies and souls connect, transcending the boundaries of the physical realm. In the language of love, lovers find solace, joy, and profound satisfaction, weaving together an enchanting tale of intimacy. Collarbone. The collarbone is an often overlooked body region. It emerges as an erogenous zone for women, offering a haven for pleasurable caresses and tender kisses. Gentle touches along the collarbone release a wave of delightful sensations, tantalizing the senses and deepening the connection between partners. The subtle intimacy of this act fosters an atmosphere of vulnerability and trust, where lovers can bask in each other's affectionate embrace. The collarbone's allure lives in its sensitivity. It becomes a canvas for the lover's ardor, painting strokes of pleasure on the map of their journey together. Inner thighs. As one of the body's most sensitive regions, the inner thigh holds the potential for profound pleasure and intimacy. This area awakens a delightful tingling sensation, building anticipation and desire, becoming a gateway to deeper realms of intimacy, inviting partners to explore the uncharted territories of each other's desires. In the caress of these intimate touches, lovers create a world where vulnerability is cherished and passion takes flight. Lower back. The lower back, a tension reservoir, transforms under the tender ministrations of light massages or caresses. As skilled hands navigate this erogenous zone, a sense of relaxation and tranquility washes over the recipient, creating a sanctuary of blissful escape. The lower back becomes a canvas of intimacy, inviting partners to express affection and care through gentle touch. Within this intimate exchange, lovers forge an unbreakable bond, nurturing the spark of desire and igniting passion. In this intimate exchange, the lower back becomes a conduit for expressing affection and care through the gentle art of touch. Each caress communicates volumes without the need for words, forging an unbreakable bond between lovers. Within these tender moments, the seeds of desire are lovingly nurtured, kindling the flames of passion that burn brightly within their souls. Stomach. The stomach, a sensitive yet underestimated region, offers untold pleasure when graced with light touches or affectionate kisses. Each gentle gesture along this area evokes myriad sensations, teasing and tormenting the senses. The stomach becomes an intimate playground where partners explore the nuances of touch and vulnerability. As lovers embrace this delicate art, they open themselves to a realm of connection and ecstasy, as each caress becomes a brushstroke of desire in the masterpiece of intimacy. Hips. The hips, a symbol of movement and sensuality, hold a treasure heap of pleasure, graced with gentle caresses or light touches. This erogenous zone ignites desire, offering a tantalizing glimpse of intimacy. As hands glide along the curves, partners discover an unparalleled level of connection where passion and tenderness interweave. In exploring this intimate territory, lovers are captivated by the art of touch, immersing themselves in a dance of desire and emotional intimacy. Feet. The feet, a repository of sensation, can become an unexpected source of pleasure for some women. Foot massages or gentle caresses offer a unique combination of relaxation and intimacy, fostering a sense of care and affection between partners. With the delicate touch of skilled hands, the feet transform into a canvas of connection, inviting partners to explore each other's desires with tenderness and attentiveness. The feet, often an unexpected source of pleasure for some women, hold a mysterious allure that deserves recognition in the realm of intimacy. Partners open the door to a world of shared sensations and unspoken desires through foot massages and gentle caresses. Scalp. When the scalp is gently caressed or fingers run through the hair, it has a potential for deep relaxation and pleasure. Many women find a gentle head massage or the sensation of fingers tracing through the strands to be soothing and pleasurable. The scalp becomes a tranquil haven for partners to unwind and indulge in moments of intimacy and care. Lovers discover a sanctuary of connection in this act of tenderness, fostering an emotional intimacy that extends beyond the physical realm. Fingers. Fingers as instruments of touch and affection can convey intimacy through the lightest caresses or the softest kisses. Tracing the contours of the fingers or gently kissing them elicits feelings of connection and arousal. Lovers create an intimate language with each tender gesture, speaking volumes without words. Touch becomes a symphony of pleasure. Emotions find their voice in each tender exploration, and the fingers become an emblem of passion. Inner wrists. The inner wrists, a delicate and sensitive area, invite intimate caresses or gentle kisses that can elicit pleasurable sensations for some women. Often hidden from the world, this erogenous zone becomes a space for shared moments of tenderness and vulnerability. As lovers explore this territory, they enter a realm of intimacy where trust and care intertwine in a dance of affection. Partners weave a tale of desire with the touch of each other's wrists, igniting passions that deepen their emotional bond. Lower abdomen. When adorned with light touches or affectionate kisses, the lower abdomen, an area of vulnerability and sensitivity, can become a source of pleasure. Waves of pleasure wash over some women as their hands graze or their lips brush this intimate terrain. The lower abdomen becomes a canvas for connection where partners express their desires and affection through touch. Lovers immerse themselves in the art of intimacy in this shared exploration, finding solace and passion in the embrace of each caress. Behind the knees. A lesser known yet sensitive area is potentially pleasurable when touched with light strokes or delicate kisses. This intimate spot, often overlooked, becomes a gateway to deeper realms of intimacy, inviting partners to indulge in the art of sensual exploration. The touch behind the knees evokes a delightful tingling sensation, awakening desires and enriching the shared pleasure journey. As lovers embrace this uncharted territory, they find themselves immersed in a world of tender connection, where the language of touch paints a masterpiece of intimacy and love. Now that you've discovered those hidden desires, uncover the silent signals of her passion or dive into the secret moves she makes when she wants you. Which will you decode first? Don't forget to like, comment on your findings, and subscribe for more intimate insights.